how to log into Adobe Acrobat. First, open your browser and head to acrobat.adobe.com. Once it loads, you will see the Adobe Acrobat homepage. Look in the top right corner. You will see a button that says Sign In. Click it. Now, you will be asked to enter your email address. This could be a personal email, school email, or a work account, whatever you use to sign up. Type it in and click Continue. If you used Google, Apple, or Facebook, click the matching button. Otherwise, just type your Adobe account password. Then hit Continue or Sign In. That's it. You are now logged into Adobe Acrobat Online. From here, you can open, edit, convert, or compress PDFs like a pro. And that's how you log into Adobe Acrobat. Super simple, right? If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.